for who will be the head of this Parañaque Patriots. And I think right now, okay, it shows na yung...
Both teams still scoreless here in the early goings of the game. Philip Manalang coming on over from Nueva Ecija. Paulo Castro has been this very school, the Olivares College Sea Lions. That's a score for Muntinlupa. Josh Giab, someone you're very familiar with.
A guy that will, alam mo yun, yung will just do kung ano yung mga kaya niya.
But the score, too strong. No numbers here for Parañaque. Castro will still take it all the way for 2.
Andrea, the system is young with the young players as well. Alam mo yun, but you know, in time, just given a...
They swing it to the left. Manalang to redeem himself. Why not? Oh, ayaw mo naman pahiyain yung mga tao na pumunta here all the way despite the sweltering heat outside. Makoy Marcos though connects on the outside there for Muntinlupa. The complete opposite. JP Sarao making a move inside. Gets the 2 points. It's still asking.
Medyo mahirap nang itulak eh.
Marcos goes inside. That's 2 points for the CSB Blazer. A steady outside shot early in his career, connecting from the outside.
Oo. At importante yun.
Especially that he's playing the guards field. His only points coming from the free throw line. 0 out of 4 from the outside. As you see him get looking to win this season. Sombero beats Martel to the cup. That's what the beauty of everybody being friends, that makakuha ka ng bagong knowledge when you play for other squads. Seen a lot of triangle offense for Parañaque so far in this game, but that is a great play by the Patriots, finding John Aduba inside. It's no good. Pido ahead to Jello Razon. That's a tough make, but he still is able to get the 2 points plus the... He went down with an ACL injury that sidelined him for the rest of the season.
Na-release na yung pressure kay Jello na kasi leaders ni Coach Mike Sagigit eh.
He misses, but Markey is there. Offensive rebound. The putback is good on the push shot. Chance of defense here inside Olivares College. In his basketball career. 30 to 28 is the score. Parañaque gets it across. Yi on the reverse. That's good. Takes it, gives it up. Now it's Philip Manalang with the basketball. A three-pointer. That is good.
And you know it's coming. You know, after the...
Kung ganito ka ba naman kapuno ang inyong home court, di ka ba gaganahan na maglaro?
Oo.
And there you go, Philip Manalang riding the adrenaline brought about by the crowd inside another bucket. The regular folk. Pero nakikita natin, ang dami na rin matangkad na Pinoy ngayon eh. Makoy Marcos able to drain it from the outside.
Oo. And what's impressive with Philip is he does it with the ball.
Marcos pulls back, goes inside. Josh Giab, fake, and the basket, and one para kay Josh Giab. This play of the game is brought to you by Buenas. The young stud getting the better of directing traffic from the right side. Shot clock winding down. Who's going to take this for Muntinlupa? Longalong will. Longalong on the finger roll. Basket plus the foul.
Again, nothing seems to happen. Pero good thing na nag-decide na lang to si Jasper Longalong to attack. And he caught etong Parañaque.
Mga stars, walang pa-star. No one is outshining the other, but instead, everyone is helping each other to shine as a team. Back to you guys.
All right, on cue. 5 points so far in this game. Asidre falling away. gets the bounce on the jumper.
And you know, I always say this.
Out back to Nico. Gonzalez has to take it. Shot a little bit too strong. Josh Giab gets easy pickings down low. Uduba.
Great
Stretch,
one.
rip, and score. Back to Nico. Gonzalez, the Pinoy step. He will score. Marcos drives past Razon. Marcos could not get the finger roll to go. Marge De Leon, three-point play opportunity.
Kasi masasabi na yung effort of the Patriots is not there. It's just really how the game is
Happening.
Oo, alam mo yun, yung game management nila, yung every time malaking bagay talaga yun eh. So, hindi natin sila nararamdaman. At
Cross court they go. Castro, the bounce pass to Marquis. He will take it and
That's big.
make it.
That's big. Ryan Suwal kanina.
At Muntinlupa, it's a basket right there, courtesy of James Batak. Makoy Marcos remaining in the game. Asidre with a hand in his face, off to the right. Batak fall away jumper is good. Asidre going down, trying to tap it to a teammate. Unfortunately, Jasper Cuevas could not handle. A lot of opportunities on that possession for Parañaque, but Razon comes up with a steal. Castro with it, rises, gets the 2 points.
Again, those
T3. Crowd rocking it here inside the venue as Josh Giab silences them with that elbow jumper. Philip Manalang will waste some of the clock. Villanueva,
this
though,
will be big.
that's a quick trigger, and that's good for John Ray Villanueva. What a shot!
yeah, favorite spot where John Ray Villanueva make his living.
He loves those corners, absolutely. Look at that. 2 feet on the ground, conventional shot right there. Good stroke by John Ray. Para kay Coach Mike Sagigit, we now enter the final 2 minutes, brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the NBBL, the first and original online